Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get your e-token from Zenith Bank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your Play Store or your App Store according to your device, and then download the Zenith e-token app. Remember to keep in mind that do not install or download the Zenith Bank app because it doesn't let you to access the Zenith e-token. So once you have downloaded the app, what you need to do is open up and then tap on continue. And once you tap on continue, here you'll be getting an I am registering option. You can select an individual or a corporate user according to your preference, and once you have selected it, you need to choose your activation method. There are three options in order to activate your e-token, that is your hardware token, your debit card, and your quick access. If you tap on hardware token, here you need to enter in your account number, PIN plus token, and then tap on continue and you will be registered. Or you can select a debit card by entering your account number, debit card last 6 digit, and then debit card PIN, and then tap on continue. Or you can use quick access. You'll need an activation code to complete your registration. Visit the nearest Zenith Bank branch to get your activation code and then register it that way. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.